Are you tired of missing important emails in your cluttered Gmail inbox? Learn how to split your inbox into multiple sections in under 2 minutes. First, I'll show you how to access the right settings. Then, we'll configure your custom settings and save the changes. Start by navigating to the Gmail homepage. Then, click on the gear icon at the top right corner to open Settings. Now, click on See All Settings to open the full settings panel. In the Settings, click on the Inbox tab at the top bar. Then, from the Inbox Type dropdown, choose Multiple Inboxes. Now you'll configure your inbox sections. Each section uses a search query. For example, type is starred to display starred emails. Or label work to show emails with the work label. Another useful one is has/attachment to show emails with attachments. Once you've added your queries, scroll down and click Save Changes. Gmail will reload and display your customized multiple inboxes layout. That's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.